guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I did a trend, which I'm normally super late to, but I was right on the bus, ready for this one. This is the normal to negative side. God, I need to figure out who started this. I saw it done by Abby Roberts Artistry. I know she was inspired by someone else. She saw Nikki Tutorials do it, which was inspired by Lithuanium.snow, which the original one was Patina_makeup, right? Yes, those are the people that were the train of who was inspired by what. I thought this was so cool when I first saw this. I did not believe that Abby's was not a filter, and then I swiped over and I saw a video, so I was like, that's makeup. Before I even knew this was going to start becoming a trend, I saw hers and was just like, I want to do it. Even if it wasn't a trend, I just wanted to try it because it really fascinated me. I was like, how is that not makeup? Or how is that makeup? Anyways, this is my take on the inspired positive to negative. So it was a lot more challenging and it took way longer than I expected it to. It looks like it's pretty simple, but there's a lot of blending going on. And so if you would like to know how I created this positive to negative inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're starting this video. I am voiceovering this entire video because during this, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I'm trying to tell you that there's a lot of construction going on in my house, in my bathroom, so I can't talk. And we're gonna start with the beauty side first. So we're taking the Hoola bronzer and we're going to put that bronze up on my face. I don't know why I pointed to my cheekbone. We are bronzing up my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, my nose, just on that side of the face though. We're not moving to the other side. So now I'm taking some of the cheek powder from Mayron Makeup, and it is very orange, but I like using it if it's really like diffused out. And I'm just really putting that on the apples of my cheeks and diffusing it back towards my ear. And I'm taking this highlighting palette by Sleek. I love it. I'll take the orange and the pink shade mixed together and highlight that everywhere on like the high points of my face. I got like jelly on my hands. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Like my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. And now taking this really old Smashbox contour bronzer and highlight palette where the highlight fell out, I'm just taking the contour shade and going into the hollows of my cheeks. And I'm going to do my brows off camera. Wow, what a clever transition you snapped, and now you have brows. So now we're going into the Dare to Create palette. It's the 39A, and we're taking these orangey colors to make a orangey smoky eye. I already said orangey, but we're gonna say it another time. Orangey smoky eye. So now we're going into the Tarte palette for the browns. I wanted some really like chocolatey warm browns. I guess there was probably some in the other palette, but I just wanted to be fussy, so I went into another one. And that's going to deepen up my outer V in the corner. And for the lid, I'm going to be taking a copper shade in this Huda Beauty palette and also the gold shade for the inner corner. In the middle, I'm putting the copper, and then the gold I'm putting really close to my inner corner. And for my inner corner, I just took the highlight that I put on the rest of my face. Now I'm smothering my eyelashes with the Roller Lash Mascara and also adding a winged liner. So with this Mayron lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose, I'm putting on some chapstick on my dusty, crusty lips. I actually never line my lips, but today I just wanted to for some reason because I thought I would be fancy. And taking this NYX Lingerie lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick and it dries matte, and I took a really orangey shade. So this is the shade of blue that I went in with for the other half of my face. I tried to tape it with medical tape and it didn't work, so I just straight up put Scotch tape on my face. It still didn't make that straight of a line. I probably could have just hand did it myself and it would have been better, but whatever. Now I'm going in with the white and the black for the highlighting technically and the contouring. But the tea here is really you're just putting shadows in the places that you highlight normally on your face, and you're going to put the white cream paint on places that you normally contour. So it was really pretty simple if you know basic makeup, where to contour, where to highlight, where the shadows go, and where kind of like highlight hits your face. If you're pretty knowledgeable on that, this is a very simple look to do if you understand like where you should put it. You know what I mean? It's just a lot of blending and took way longer than I expected, but it was really easy to like figure out where to put things, especially doing makeup for so long. So I used a Cinema Secrets, I believe, black cream paint, and then the Ben Nye white cream paint. Yeah, and then I outlined right now with the cream paint with the black, and then lined it inwards with the white cream paint. and then blended that outwards. Everything's just a lot of blending on top of the water activated paint, which is really easy with cream paint because cream paint actually blends really well over water activated paint. I actually did my ear too. That was so uncomfortable and ticklish and was really hard to get out. And I also did my collarbone. And this is the finished look.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of things that I should do next, makeup looks, different kind of videos, anything, leave it in the comment section below. I answer back to everyone's comments, so if you would ever just like to chit chat with me, have any questions, concerns, anything, leave it in the comment section below, or if you just want to chit chat with me, I am always down. I try to answer back to everyone's comments. I just hit 900 subs, so soon I'll get to 1,000. I love you guys so much, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!